Apart for all the days we've been around.
A generous heaping.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, look how black that is.
Alright.
Just hit the bait. Okay.
Ready?
Comedian.
Hold on. Is everybody doing it?
Jeff makes all these crazy faces anyway. Hey man, you gotta let it sit.
No, you cannot drink anything yet. You gotta finish it. Then
drink
drink
it.
it.
Where you drink?
Hey, look like this, Colleen. Ah.
What's taking you so long? Come on.
Next.
No, because
What's taking you so long? Come on. Swallow it.
Not bad.
Really? Yeah.
Pass it down.
One bite.
Alright.
Drum roll.
My stomach
Happy
is not
Captain.
good today, so that's why I was so late.
She's not trying to make faces.
Too much butter.
I wouldn't eat it again. I definitely had it. It tastes like iodine.
Iodine?
Just take one, anyone.
No, they're
I
not
know what
all.
iodine tastes like then. I've never had it.
Have you ever put on iodine on wound?
Yeah, I've never tasted it.
It smells.
Oh,
It
tastes like it smells.
Smells totally tastes like it smells.
Does my lip
Not
just
yet.
go? Do I really have to do this?
It's not
Am I really have to do this for my team?
Yes. No.
Yes.
Yes.
I was gonna
Not
get smaller
yet.
too.
Not
I
yet.
just grabbed it.
You gotta suck yourself out by holding
No,
it.
no, I
Don't
just
smell
grabbed it. I'm not smelling it.
Well, I already had it earlier. You said
I've had worse.
But this is up there, right?
had worse. That's not a compliment.
The bread's good.
It's good.
I'm done.
Maybe you should put it face down on your tongue.
Oh yeah, face down on your
There
tongue.
you go. Upside down, baby.
And you are right.
I think best one so far.
It tastes like butter, right?
Winner, winner.
Paste.
Horrible, dude. It's alright.
Get the one with the loud one.
Oh my god.
In case I cry.
I think.
It's just like not going down.
It's just not going down.
Yeah, it takes a while to chew.
I agree.
I cannot.
Did you do like
The swallowing part.
You guys
The throat is just
Okay.
It's turning red. Okay, this one has a little bit.
I can't. Alright.
iodine.
Cheers, Thomas.
Right? Is it iodine?
Okay.
It's iodine.
That's not that weird after that.
It's not bad.
Did you have it again?
I could. It's not bad.
I could use it to cook. Alright. Oh, they haven't done it yet.
Oh, the two boys.
Alright. Go, guys.
Go.
All right, coach.
Father like son.
You got this. 1, 2, 3.
Young Jedi.
Here we go.
Soy sauce, I like soy sauce.
Yeah.
No need nose. Give me a shot.
Yeah. You. It's not bad, right? I didn't think it was that bad.